So hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are enjoyed last videos. So we upcoming videos we just coming back with a different again for new layers for techniques. So in this haircut video we can just learn about how to cut concave layers. Concave layers, it will be simple concept how we can just save the length and add more layers apart from the length, that is called the concave layers. And it will be create huge lot more layers which is can look so uniform, and it will be bouncier look and voluminous look and clean as well. Posh finishing and just clean look and groom look. This is one of the best haircut for ultimately suits for them. And but the texture should be something wavy and natural hair could be a recommendable for this haircut. So almost is center profile section we divided, and just side section also we just clipping up, and just another side we just coming back with the same technique. So each and every video I used to discuss with you guys the previous videos how was it, but I hope so I'm just getting a lot of love about and supports with you all of you, and just that is the reason we can just coming back with the different videos. Now just we take back sections up to the one leg basic haircut. Just any haircut we can just need to be trimmed the bottom part with a make to sure something clean and neat look which can be visible very even neat sectioning. So on top of that it will be the foundation create will be a layers. That is a major guidelines where we can just take travel overall the haircut. So vertical sections we just take and just overlifting to the bit up to the layers similarly to visible like 180 angles, and you can just see complete to that even section not to be difficult for the holding sections. You can just straightly you can just lift them up. Rest of the hair you can just cut with the vertical sections and just follow the bottom guidelines, and just take with the vertical sections again just thin by thin sections, cut it accordingly, and your haircut should be look so uniform, and it will be look so creating more layers on top of that. Each and every video I used to share about with why we want to save the length, why we want to create top of that the layers, because lot of customers was expected for the with apart from the lengths only they want to be more good uniform layers and sufficient layers and more layers. A lot of customers are about requiring for the haircuts which is called with something it's needed and sufficient, and also length also looks so evenly. Someone who don't want to be carry the tails, who don't want to be collapse the bottom lens, for them is ultimately recommendable haircut. This haircut will be suiting for them. And this layer cut it will be whenever you can just without styling it will be leave it to the open hair also looks so good and even finishing. And when they do the styling also it will be comes out very well bouncy look, and the front feathering also it will be comes in the front forward. So I'm just cross checking with different parts which is just whatever is comes both the sides. It's even now, so we're just coming back for the side sections. So lift them to exactly with opposite way, just rest of the hair trim it out. Make sure just whenever you start the haircut just follow the thin section guidelines, and it will be haircut will be visible uniform clean look. And ensure the layer cut techniques it has to be consistent is most probably required for any haircut you will be taking for. So almost finished my all the side sections. Now just will coming back for the crown sections. And for this we have to be standing with a side up to the like a crown portion purpose, and just we take to the connect with the back. And one of the easiest haircuts for who wants to be get it an easiest way. This is just simple steps you may can follow, and you will be get good results on this haircuts. I hope so you all are understand about the haircut. We almost is going to be finish it up to the haircut with completely one side section is done, and another side crown part is left bit 2 sections. It's almost going to be finish it up. So why should I tell about it? Why we want to be carried like consistent after any of haircut? Why? Because the thin section can make something look so professional based and skilled. It will look so neat, and yes, when we just showing up to the in front of the customers, it will be look so neat and clean. And so my complete haircut is done. Just I'm showing with a messy layering completely with a before blow dry, and the same thing you may can follow the techniques and according to any of haircuts. But for any layers can visibility purpose, it will be helpful very well. See, I'm just shaking after layers. You can just see the overall the layers. It will be saving the length and more bouncier and thickening look also you can see. So that is the things concept are very easy. Now we just showing up to that boosting up to the blow dry with a blast blow dry root shifter, and just will be boom up to the mid lengths to ends as well. And this concept if you can follow the consistency of to any haircuts, layer haircuts, bob haircuts, or short haircuts, any haircuts. Definitely these steps it will be helpful for you to grow the profession. You guys all are enjoyed this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. In this video we are expecting minimum 500 likes, and do subscribe to my channel, and we will be meet up to the next video. I hope all are you guys every time to enjoy to each and every video. We'll be meet up to the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.